Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I will show you how you can add custom pricing in your variable product. So right now you can see that I have a DNK blue shoes here, but it is showing the two pricing here because this is a variable product, because the pricing will be changed according to this filter. So I will show you how you can add a fixed pricing here. So this won't make your customer confused. Okay, so for that what we have to do for adding here the fixed pricing. So for that what we have to do, right now we don't have any default option in the WooCommerce store for doing that, so we have to do that with the custom code. So for that what we can do, we can go to the appearance, and from here we have to open the theme file editor. So after going to the theme file editor, I will give you a code in the video description, so you have to just copy that code and paste it like here in the function.php file. So you have to go to the appearance, then go to the theme file editor, then go to function.php file. Okay, so I have already pasted that code here, so I will explain you code a little bit. If you know the PHP you will understand it better, but if you don't know, I will show you how you can use that. So you let me uncomment this code here. Okay, so you can see that here I have made a custom function which will hook the WooCommerce get price hook. Okay, so simply you have to add here slug of the product categories. So in which category you want to apply this feature. So suppose I want to apply this feature in the men's shoes. So for getting the categories, what you have to do, you have to just open your product categories and you have to see here in which category you want to apply. So suppose I want to, so here you will find all the slug. So suppose I want to apply this in the men's shoes. So I have to just copy the slug here, and we have to go to here this option, and we have to update the slug. So right now my slug is same. So in which category you want to apply it, you have to just copy that slug and paste it here. And okay, then after that we have here custom price. So we have to just enter here what custom price you want to show for that DNK blue shoes. Okay, so suppose I want to show a fixed pricing. So let's show here 8,000. So we have to just so you have to change only two things here, the slug and here the custom pricing. Okay, then update the file. Okay, so you can see that our file had updated successfully. So let's go to the DNK Bluetooth and we have to refresh this here. So after refreshing, you can see that it is showing 8,000 here, but okay, so but this is only for your store. This will not replace the actual pricing of these shoes. So suppose I want to order this, so suppose I choose the large, so it will show you the actual pricing only. This is only for the user which will come on your store for only that. Okay, so this will not replace the actual pricing of your product. I will give you this code in the video description, so you can copy that code from there and do it like that. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and like and share this video with your friends. I'm gonna see you next time.